Have you ever wondered what it feels like to explore the world on your own terms? To wake up in the morning, not bound by the schedules or preferences of others, but free to decide where the day will take you? Welcome to the alluring world of solo travel, a realm where you are the master of your own journey. Imagine immersing yourself in the bustling markets of Bangkok, the serene landscapes of Iceland, or the vibrant culture of Buenos Aires, all at your own pace. Picture yourself navigating through winding streets, discovering hidden gems and engaging with locals, not merely as a tourist, but as a traveler, a worldly explorer. The beauty of solo travel lies not just in the freedom to explore, but also in the opportunity for personal growth. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone, embracing new experiences, and learning to rely on your own resourcefulness and resilience. Solo travel is a journey not just across geographic boundaries, but also an exploration within. A chance to discover who you truly are when stripped of familiar surroundings and routines. The ultimate solo travel guide, penned by Janice Waugh, encapsulates this essence beautifully. It highlights the myriad benefits of traveling alone, from the thrill of independence to the joy of unique, immersive experiences. It's not just about seeing new places, but about experiencing them in a way that transforms you, that deepens your understanding of the world and your place in it. But don't just take our word for it. Countless travelers have embarked on solo adventures and returned with tales of unforgettable experiences, of friendships forged in foreign lands, of challenges overcome and horizons expanded. Their stories serve as a testament to the transformative power of solo travel, to the allure of venturing out into the world on your own terms. The world awaits those brave enough to venture out alone. Are you ready to be one of them? Embarking on a solo journey involves more than just packing a bag and setting off. It requires careful planning and preparation. It's like painting a masterpiece. You start with an empty canvas and you have the freedom to paint whatever you want, but you need to have a vision of what you're going to create. The same goes for planning a solo trip. You start with a blank itinerary and you're free to fill it with whatever you fancy, but you need to have a clear understanding of your destination. Research is your best friend here. Dive into the history, culture, local customs, and laws of the place you're visiting. Just as an artist needs flexibility to change the course of their painting, you too need a flexible itinerary. Having a rigid plan can be restrictive and stressful. Instead, leave room for spontaneity and unexpected discoveries. You never know when you might stumble upon a hidden gem or an unmarked trail that leads to an awe-inspiring view. Next, let's talk about safety. This is paramount when you're traveling alone. Always have a copy of your travel documents and emergency contacts handy. Be alert and aware of your surroundings, and most importantly, trust your instincts. While planning, it's also essential to learn from those who've walked the path before you. Experienced solo travelers are a treasure trove of first-hand knowledge. They can give you practical tips, tell you about the do's and don'ts, and share their stories that can inspire and guide you. Lastly, remember that solo travel is not about isolation. It's about immersing yourself in a new culture, engaging with locals, and making new friends. So, don't hesitate to reach out, ask for help, or strike up a conversation with a stranger. After all, these interactions can lead to the most memorable experiences. Proper preparation is the key to a successful solo adventure. It's time to put your planning hat on. Once you've set off on your journey, there are certain strategies that can enhance your solo travel experience. Firstly, let's talk about engaging with locals. This can be one of the most rewarding parts of your trip, offering you a unique perspective that you simply can't get from a guidebook. Engaging with locals can lead to unexpected adventures, friendships, and insights into the culture and way of life in your chosen destination. Whether it's a conversation with a shopkeeper, a chat with your taxi driver, or a friendly exchange with a passerby, these interactions can truly enrich your journey. Next, let's dive into the importance of immersing yourself in local culture. Attend local events, visit markets, try local delicacies, and take part in traditional customs. This will not only give you a deeper understanding of the place you're visiting, but also create memories that will last a lifetime. It's these experiences that can turn an ordinary trip into an extraordinary adventure. Flexibility is another key component of successful solo travel. Be open to changes in your plan. Whether it's a recommendation for a local site not on your itinerary, an invitation to a local event, or a sudden change in weather that requires a shift in plans. Remember, some of the best experiences come from the unexpected. It's also crucial to know when to seek help. If you're lost, feeling unwell, or simply unsure about something, don't hesitate to ask for assistance. Local people are often more than willing to lend a hand to a visitor in their country. Finally, don't forget to enjoy the local cuisine and shopping. Food is an integral part of any culture, and trying local dishes is a must-do for any solo traveler. Likewise, shopping can give you a glimpse into the local way of life, and you might find unique souvenirs that will remind you of your journey for years to come. Remember, every journey is as much about the people you meet and the culture you experience as it is about the places you visit. Solo travel is not without its challenges, yet overcoming these can lead to the most rewarding experiences. In the realm of solo travel, challenges are as diverse as the destinations that beckon us. From navigating a foreign language to dealing with unexpected hurdles, it's all part of the journey. But it's how we respond to these challenges that truly define our experiences. Take language barriers, for instance. They can be daunting indeed, but they also present an opportunity to learn and adapt. You might find yourself learning a few phrases, immersing in the local culture, and even making new friends along the way. It's all about turning a potential roadblock into a stepping stone. Or consider the solo traveler's classic conundrum, dining alone. It might feel awkward at first, but it's also a chance to truly savor the local cuisine, to people watch, and to enjoy your own company. And who knows, you might even strike up a conversation with a stranger and gain a new perspective. Speaking of perspective, let's borrow one from Janice, a seasoned solo traveler who shared her experience on solotravelerworld.com. She recalls feeling lost and overwhelmed in a bustling foreign city, but instead of letting it get the better of her, she took a deep breath, asked for directions, and ended up discovering a hidden gem of a cafe she would have otherwise missed. It's these unexpected detours, she says, that often make for the best memories. And then there's Mike, another veteran of solo journeys, who faced a sudden change in weather on his hiking trip. He was forced to alter his plans, which led him to an impromptu visit to a local museum where he discovered a passion for indigenous art. Mike's story is a testament to the importance of flexibility and open-mindedness on the road. These anecdotes are just a glimpse into the countless stories of triumph that every solo traveler carries back home. They remind us that challenges aren't merely obstacles, they're catalysts for growth, for self-discovery, and for unforgettable experiences. Every challenge faced on your solo journey is an opportunity for growth and a story waiting to be told. So when you embark on your next solo adventure, remember to embrace the challenges that come your way. After all, they're part of what makes the journey so rewarding. The world is full of places waiting to be explored, experiences waiting to be had, and stories waiting to be told. So let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey we've embarked on together in this video. We've delved into the allure of solo travel, the irresistible call of the unknown, the thrill of discovering new places, and the unparalleled joy of forging your own path. We've unpacked the preparations for solo travel, emphasizing the importance of research, planning, and packing just right. We've shared valuable on-the-road tips to help you navigate foreign lands, engage with locals, and stay safe. We've also discussed the challenges and triumphs of solo travel, highlighting the struggles you might face and the rewarding victories that make it all worthwhile. Along the way, we've underscored the transformative power of solo travel. It's not just about ticking off destinations from a bucket list. It's about personal growth, gaining independence, and opening your heart and mind to unique experiences. It's about immersing yourself in different cultures, tasting exotic cuisines, and meeting fascinating people. And remember, it's perfectly okay to seek help when you need it. The world is full of friendly faces ready to lend a hand. So don't be afraid to reach out. Also, take the time to immerse yourself in local events to truly experience the heartbeat of the places you visit. So what are you waiting for? Begin planning your solo travel adventure today and discover a world of possibilities that await you. Whether it's a bustling city, a remote village, a serene beach, or a towering mountain peak, your solo travel adventure is out there, just waiting for you to seize it. Your story is yet to be written, your journey yet to be taken, and your memories yet to be made. The world is your oyster, and your solo travel adventure awaits.